Okay, let's dive into this. Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. We are going on a huge adventure today, right deep into the heart of Africa. Because, well, we're tracking down an animal that's so incredibly mysterious, so totally magical, that people actually call it the African unicorn. I mean, how cool was that? Get ready because we are about to meet the absolutely amazing Okapi.
Now, take a really close look at this animal. Actually, put your detective hats on for a second with me. What do you see here? You're probably noticing those super bold black and white striped legs, right? Looks exactly like a zebra. But then, look up at its back and that sturdy, kind of chestnut brown body. It almost looks like a horse, doesn't it? So what in the world is this creature?
Okay, here's the big reveal. Ready? If you look at them side by side, you'll see the Okapi is actually the giraffe's only living relative. No way, right? But look at their heads. They both rock those giant, super hearing ears and those cool, fuzzy, horn-like bumps on top. Scientists call those ossicones. But wait a second, where's the super long neck? Well, because the Okapi lives in the really dense rainforest instead of the wide-open savanna, a massive neck would literally just get constantly tangled up in the trees. So its shorter neck is perfectly designed for dodging low branches.
All right, get ready for a totally gross but awesome fun fact. Check out that super flexible, dark blue-black prehensile tongue. Now, prehensile, that big word just means it can grab things almost like a human hand. They use it to pluck tasty leaves right off the branches, sure, but it's also a built-in washcloth. Yep, you heard that right. They can actually reach all the way up and lick their own eyes and ears clean.
That's right. Look at that number, 30. That tongue is up to 30 centimeters long. I mean, that's like the size of a whole ruler. Let me ask you, could you clean your own ears with your tongue? Probably not. Actually, definitely not. But for the Okapi, it's just, part of their everyday morning routine.
So, all these amazing features build into what I like to call Okapi superpowers. It's like a superhero toolkit. They've got a waterproof velvet coat, so the rain literally just slides right off. They have those super hearing ears to listen for sneaky leopards. They even have special stink glands on their feet to leave, well, smelly text messages for other Okapis. And, okay, lean in real close for this one. They have a secret, low-pitch voice. Mother Okapis use this deep, rumbling language that is so low, human ears and hungry predators can't even hear it. It's their very own secret code to talk to their babies hidden in the forest. How cool is that?
And speaking of babies, let's take another look at those awesome stripes. Did you know every single Okapi has a completely unique stripe pattern, just like your fingerprints? But they aren't just for fashion. In the really dark shadows of the thick rainforest, those bright white stripes act like glowing follow me signs. It makes it super easy for a baby calf to just follow its mom right through the dense trees without ever getting lost. But hey, fueling all those superpowers takes some serious work, especially when it comes to eating. Okapis are a type of animal called a ruminant. That just means they have a four-chambered stomach exactly like a cow. They are absolute plant-digesting machines. They chew their food, swallow it, and then, burp it back up to chew it all over again. Gross. But it helps them break down really tough plants, even some that would be totally toxic to us humans. They'll even eat red forest clay just to get some extra vitamins and minerals.
Now, as magical as they are, the Okapi really does need our help. You see, their only home in the entire world is the Ituri rainforest in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and sadly, their home is shrinking because of humans cutting down trees. This makes the Okapi a very rare and endangered living fossil. There are just very, very few of these amazing animals left in the wild today.
Which brings us to a super important idea. Protecting the Okapi protects the whole magical rainforest. Scientists actually call the Okapi an umbrella species. Think of it like this. If we work really hard to save the Okapi and their habitat, we are basically opening up a giant umbrella that protects thousands of other plants, birds, and animals that share their forest home. So, my question for you today is this. What can you do to learn more about protecting our world's wild places and the incredible animals that live there? Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and I'll see you in the next Explainer.